Okay, this is, I know we went over this in class, but this is for number 41. And if you paid attention, this is going to be repeating, but some of you may need to see it again. I've placed the four largest radiuses of these circles that end up being curves in their exact position for the base of that object. And notice again the dimensions that are placed on here. These are all placed because they're constraints, and now it locks these circles into place. I started with my origin right in the middle of all of these circles. Um, that way I can use the origin to lock them into place, called a datum. But I can use the origin as a datum to lock this circle 50 away from here and 50 away from here. It also, because I drew it on this line right here, it locks them onto that line. So now it won't move this way, and it won't move up and down because it's locked onto this line. Same with this one over here. I drew it perfectly in line with the origin, so it won't move left to right. It keeps it this distance away, and it keeps it this far away from the origin. So now it's locked into place. Now we'll draw a 120 diameter circle out here, and then we're going to tangent it up here in the constraints from here to here. Then from it, which reminds me, where you click a little bit matters. So be sure you're clicking in the general vicinity of where you want it to tangent, because tangent means touch. So it goes over like that. We can trim it out. We can also mirror things here. And I'm going to change this one to a construction line. So now it uses that as a reference, but it will not use that as a edge. With my mirror line, I'm just going to mirror this across. Done. Then I'm going to go from here, here, say OK, and trim everything else up. And while I'm at it, I'm going to put these circles in here. 20, 20, 20. I think that goes up 20 if memory serves me correct. So there we go. There's my object. If I didn't like that it's not facing the right direction, I know some of you don't like that, what I can do is I can go back into my original sketch before I put anything else on. I can rotate this thing. Use the origin here. And rotate that thing. And now it flips in the right direction that I want it to go.